Do you have grand visions for your life, but find yourself unable to get off the couch? Do you spend your nights dreaming of a seven-figure business in New York or a creative empire in London, only to spend your days scrolling through social media? You aren't lazy. You are suffering from a specific psychological conflict called high-functioning anxiety, mixed with executive dysfunction. Welcome to the Human Code. Today, we are decoding the ambitious lazy paradox, why you have the engine of a Ferrari but the brakes of a bicycle, and how to finally unlock your true potential. The anatomy of the problem, why you feel lazy. First, we must dismantle the lie. Lazy is a word used by people who don't understand psychology. What you are experiencing is likely analysis paralysis. Because your ambition is so high, the gap between where you are and where you want to be feels like an abyss. When the brain sees a task as too big, it triggers the amygdala, the fear center. To protect you from the threat of failure, your brain shuts down and seeks dopamine through easy sources: Netflix, junk food, or endless research. You aren't avoiding work. You are avoiding the feeling of being inadequate. The perfectionism trap. The ambitious, lazy person is usually a closet perfectionist. In the competitive landscapes of the USA and Canada, we are taught that if it isn't number one, it isn't worth doing. This all or nothing mindset is a prison. You tell yourself, if I can't launch the perfect startup, I won't launch at all. This leads to productive procrastination. You clean your house, you organize your emails, and you buy new notebooks. You feel busy, but you aren't moving the needle. You are using small tasks to hide from the big, scary work that actually matters. The neuroscience of dopamine debt. Let's look at the brain. High ambition individuals often have a high baseline for dopamine. Crave the big win, but because the big win takes years, your brain starves for a reward now. This leads to dopamine hijacking. You trade your long-term vision for short-term hits. This creates a cycle of guilt. Every time you choose the easy path, your self-esteem drops, making the big work feel even more impossible. You are stuck in a dopamine debt cycle where you owe your future self for the pleasures of today. The solution. Phase 1. Micro-decision mapping. How do we break the code? We start with micro-decision mapping. The reason you can't start is that your goal is too cloudy. You don't start a business. You buy a domain name. You don't write a book. You write 50 words. Successful entrepreneurs in the UK and Australia use a technique called the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it takes longer, commit to doing just the first 2 minutes of it. The goal is to lower the activation energy required to move your body. Phase 2, the Dopamine Fast. To fix your ambition to action ratio, you must perform a dopamine fast. For 4 hours every morning, 0 digital input. No phone, no news, no podcasts. Making your environment boring, the difficult work suddenly becomes the most interesting thing in the room. This recalibrates your brain's reward system. When you remove the easy exits, the only way forward is through the work. This is how the elite 1% maintain focus while the rest of the world is distracted. Phase 3. Radical self-compassion. The human code's secret to consistency is self-compassion. If you beat yourself up for being lazy, you increase your stress levels. High stress leads to more avoidance. It is a self-feeding loop. To break it, you must accept that some days will be low output. The ambitious, lazy person wins when they stop trying to be a machine and start trying to be a gardener. You don't force a plant to grow. You just make sure the environment is right, and the growth happens naturally. The homework. Your 7-day challenge. I am giving you the Human Code homework assignment. For the next 7 days, you are prohibited from working more than 90 minutes on your big goal. But those 90 minutes must be deep work. 1. Identify the lead domino. What is the one task that makes everything else easier or unnecessary? 2. The 90-minute sprint. Set a timer. No phone, no interruptions. 3. The evidence journal. Write down one win every night. You need to provide your brain with evidence that you are a doer, not just a dreamer. Ambition without action is a fantasy. Action without ambition is a grind. But when you marry the two, you become an unstoppable force. You were never lazy. You were just overwhelmed by your own potential. It's time to stop dreaming about the architect you could be and start laying the first brick. If this breakdown shifted your perspective, join our community of high achievers. Subscribe to the Human Code. We don't just dream, we decode.